Dear learner, in this lesson, we will learn about verb which is called kanwa in Santali and its structure which is in Santali called roop in different tenses and moods. Especially the structure of the dinam nitang nang means present indefinite tense. Verb denotes action. Any kind of action is called verb. Now we learn the verbs which are used in our daily life. The verbs are as follows. San means go. Jom means eat. Rakab means rise. Hasur means set. Man means say. Doho means put down. New means drink. Hey means come. Don means jump. Dad means run. Enage means dance. All means write. Padhav means read. Kami means work. Isin means cook. Jo means sweep. Aten means listen. Ra means cry. Landa means laugh. Kirin means buy. Raput means break. Dal means beat. Tol means bind. Nyel means see. Japit means sleep. Arup means wash. Sereng means sing. Sap means catch, etc. All denote action. Now we make some sentences with the verbs. Uni seno a means he goes. Sin chandoi rakap a means the sun rises. Ale dakale joma means we eat rice. Ape dape nyuya means you drink water. Look at these sentences. The parts of the sentences given in underlined words are verb. In the first sentence, uni senoa means he goes. Here, uni means he or she. We is third person singular number subject marker of uni. The next word, sen, means go. O is a verbal suffix. A is finite verb marker denoting completeness. In the second sentence, sin chandoi rakap a means the sun rises. Here, sin chando means the sun. It is considered Jivian means living being in Santali. We is the third person singular number subject marker. The next word rakap means rise and a is the finite verb marker. In the third sentence, ale dakale joma means we eat rice. Here, ale means we. Daka means rice. Le is first person plural number subject marker of ale. The last word jom means eat. A is the finite verb marker. In the fourth sentence, ape, dape, nuya means you drink water. Here, ape means you. Da means water. Pe is second person plural number subject marker of ape. Here also subject marker pe is added to immediately preceding word da means water. The next word nu means drink. U glide sound is infixed in between the vowels u and a. In this way, nuya verb is formed. We need to carefully memorize the following notes based on what we have learned from the above discussion. Here are some important points to consider. Verb is action word. Tense is time concept that may be present, past or future. In the first two sentences, verb roots are intransitive, sen and raka. In the last two sentences, verb roots are transitive, jom and nu. In all sentences, a is added to the verb at the end to denote that the verb is finite. Sense is complete and speaker and hearer are satisfied. So, a is finite marker. In last two sentences, subject markers le and pe are added to the word preceding the verb. Here, daka in the third sentence and da in the last sentence. Therefore, keep in mind the subject markers are added to the word preceding the verb. Dear learner, we are going to learn new grammatical terminologies of Santali. You know that there are two types of verbs. Those are finite verb and non-finite verb. In Santali, muchet kanwa means finite verb. Atara kanwa means non-finite verb. Finite verb is also divided into two. Those are transitive verb and intransitive verb. In Santali, jotos kanwa means transitive verb and bin jotos kanwa means intransitive verb. Let us discuss the terms one by one. Finite and non-finite verb. Verb in Santali has two basic structures. One finite and the other non-finite. Finite denotes completeness of an action and the structure of the verb reflects that. The completeness is not only revealed in meaning, structurally also completeness is expressed by the finite marker a, which is added to the verb at the end. The non-finite, on the other hand, is incomplete in sense as well as in structure. The finite verb marker a is not added. Non-finite verb includes infinitive, participle and conditional verbs. Now look at some examples of finite verb in the following sentences. Uni college chala a means he or she goes to college. Unkin burukin nyela means they too visit the hill. Unku sereny ko serenya means they sing song. Now we discuss the above sentences one by one. In the past sentence, uni college chala means he or she goes to college. Here uni means he or she, college means college. A is third person singular number subject marker of uni. Lastly, the word chala means go and a is finite verb marker as well as present indefinite tense marker. In the second sentence, unkin burukin nyela means they too visit the hill. Here unkin means they too, buru means hill, kin is third person dual number subject marker of unkin. The next word nyel means visit and a is finite verb marker as well as present indefinite tense marker. In the third sentence, unku serenko serenya means they sing song. Here unku means they, sereny means song. Ko is third person plural number subject marker of unku. The next word sereny means sing and a is finite verb marker as well as present indefinite tense marker. In this sentence, sereny word is actually a noun, but in Santali a noun can be used as verb. Now look at some examples of non-finite verb in the following sentences. Amem hej lenkhan inyiny ruwera means if you come I will return. Aben ben isin khan aliny liny chakhaya means if you too cook we too will taste. Apepe rui khan alele eneja means if you play the music we will dance. Now we discuss the above sentences one by one. In the first sentence, amem hej lenkhan inyiny ruwera means if you come I will return. Here am means you, am is second person singular number marker of am. Hej means to come. The verb hej does not take the finite marker as it is conditional and incomplete. The next word lenkhan is non-finite verb particle. Then we dissect the word inyiny. The word iny means I and second iny is first person singular number marker of iny. Lastly, the word ruwer means return and a is finite verb marker. In the second sentence, aben ben isin khan aliny liny chakhaya means if you too cook we too will taste. Here aben means you too, ben is second person dual number marker of aben. The word isin means cook, khan is non-finite verb particle. The next word aliny means we too. Liny is first person dual number marker of aliny. Lastly, the word chakha means taste. We is glide sound. The character we appears between two vowels, functioning as a glide sound to connect them, and a is finite verb marker. In the last word chakhaya is formed by conjuncting chakha plus a. Therefore, we glide sound is occurred in between two vowels. In the third sentence, ape pe rui khan ale le ene ja means if you play the music, we will dance. Here, ape means you. Pe is second person plural number marker of ape. The next word, ru, means play of music. It is root verb. The finite form is ruya. A is finite verb marker. But here, rui is non-finite verb. The next word, khan, is non-finite verb particle. Then, ale means we and le is first person plural number marker. Lastly, the word ene means dance and a is finite verb marker. Now, let us turn to the other terminologies, transitive and intransitive of finite verb. In Santali, jotos kanwa means transitive verb and bin jotos kanwa means intransitive verb. Let us discuss the terms one by one. First, we discuss on jotos kanwa in sentence. In कहनी पढ़ावा means I read story. Aling beoraling ola means we to write letters. Abo sorebo joma means we eat hodgepodge. Now we will discuss the above sentences one by one. In the first sentence, in कहनी पढ़ावा means I read story. Here, in means I. Kahni means story. In is first person singular number subject marker of in. Lastly, the word padhawa means read. Padhav is root verb and a is finite verb marker. In this sentence, kahni is the object. So, padhawa is a jotos kanwa means transitive verb. In the second sentence, aling, beora ling, ola means we to write letters. Here, aling means we to, beora means letter. Ling is first person dual number subject marker of aling. The next word, all means write. A is finite verb marker. In this sentence, beora is the object. So, ola is a jotos kanwa means transitive verb. In the third sentence, abo, sorebo, joma means we eat hodgepodge. Here, abo means we. Sore means hodgepodge. Bo is first person plural number subject marker of abo. Lastly, the word joma means eat. In this sentence, sore is the object. So, joma is a jotos kanwa means transitive verb. We have learned about transitive verb in the above sentences. Now, you should memorize the following notes about transitive verb. Santali verb can be transitive or intransitive depending on whether or not it can have the object. If there is object in the sentence, either nationally or In reality, the verb is transitive. That is, some verbs have the ability to have an object. It matters little whether the object is physically present in the sentence. Now we discuss on bin jotos kanwa in sentence. Bin jotos kanwa means intransitive verb. Hani darana means he or she walks. Hankin kin paira a means they too swim. Hanku ko japida means they sleep. Now we will discuss the above sentences one by one. In the first sentence, Hani darana means he or she walks. Here, Hani means he or she. We is third person singular number subject marker of honey. The next word, darana means walk. It is formed by conjuncting dara plus a. Therefore, an glide sound is occurred in between two vowels in Santali. In the second sentence, hankin kin paira a means they too swim. Here, hankin means they too. Kin is third person dual number subject marker of hankin. Lastly, the word paira a means swim. It is the finite verb of the sentence. In the third sentence, hanku ko japida means they sleep. Here, hanku means they. Ko is third person plural number subject marker of hanku. The next word japida means sleep. It is the finite verb of the sentence. While in the first sentence, darana means walk. Being the intransitive verb does not take any object. In the second sentence, paira a means swim. Being the intransitive verb does not take any object. In the third sentence, japida means sleep. Being the intransitive verb does not take any object. So, the verb in the above sentences is intransitive. We have learned about bin jotos kanwa in the above sentences. Now you should memorize the following notes about bin jotos kanwa. Some verbs never allow any object, neither notionally nor in practice. These verbs are called intransitive. We learned about transitive and intransitive in detail in the above discussion. Now we will discuss about present indefinite tense in Santali in detail. We have already learned kanwa means verb and nang means tense. Accordingly, tense in Santali is divided into three. Nitang nang means present tense, enang nang means past tense, and happen nang means future tense. Each tense is further classified into different categories according to mode of action. Present tense is classified into dinam nitang nang means present indefinite tense. Cholot nitang nang means present continuous tense. Setan nitang nang means present perfect tense. And latar nitang nang means present anterior continuous tense. Let us discuss on the present indefinite tense in the sentence. Present indefinite tense denotes what we do at present time daily. Something like habitual, which we regularly do. Verb takes the finite marker a and o-a. It is as well as present indefinite tense marker like am, dakam, joma. Means you eat rice. In schooling senoa means I go to school. Ayoi isina means mother cooks. In the above sentences, the underlined part of verb is present indefinite tense marker. Dear learner, you have to remember that the above mentioned all sentences are of present indefinite tense. In this lesson, we covered finite and non-finite verbs with present indefinite tense in the sentences. Remember, consistency is key. So, keep practicing regularly to strengthen your understanding. See you again in the next lesson. Thank you.